Welcome to this beautifully updated 2,470 square feet, 4-bedroom, 3-bath pool home on a tranquil pond. This residence is in the sought-after Stagecoach Village neighborhood located in Land O'Lakes, minutes from the premium outlets, restaurants and shopping. Designed with a 3-way split-open floor plan, this home offers both privacy and flow, ideal for family living and entertaining. Inside you'll find a formal living and dining room, along with a bright kitchen featuring granite countertops, wood cabinetry, and ample storage. The primary suite is a true retreat, complete with an extended sitting area or office space. The primary bath offers double sinks, a garden tub, walk-in shower, 2 closets including a walk-in, and direct access to the pool. Step outside to the screened pool and lanai, where you can relax and enjoy peaceful pond views in your private fenced backyard oasis. Major upgrades that have been completed include a new roof, 2021, new air conditioner handler 2021, new air conditioner compressor 2025, new vinyl fence 2021, and a new pool pump.